What's up, YouTube? Today we having some chicken creamy ramen noodles. Ain't nothing until later on when I make my chicken tacos. But other than that, y'all, creamy chicken ramen noodles. You know I had to hook it up with the peppers. Ooh, I didn't know. With the little red crushed red peppers, regular black pepper, and hot sauce. Yep. Let's see. Ooh. That look good though. Kind of spicy. Yeah, that's kind of spicy, but it's good though. I'll be back when I hook my little chicken nachos up. That's gonna be fire. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.